Hi, in this video, I will be sharing how to use the MDD3A motor driver, which is the brother of the Maker drive with Maker Uno. MDD3A is a more powerful motor driver compared to Maker drive. It can operate with a voltage range of 4 to 16 volts and supports a higher current of 3 amperes continuously per channel. For the hardware preparation, I'm using the MDD3A motor driver, Maker Uno, a LiPo battery of 11.1 volts, 2 SPG 30 horsepower motors with a bracket, and a few jumper wires. Connect both motors to the motor terminals 1 and 2, and the battery to the battery terminal. You can test the motors by pressing the test button for motor 1 and motor 2. Once you've made sure everything is working, disconnect the battery and proceed with the Maker Uno connection. Connect M1A pin to pin 3, M1B pin to pin 9, M2A pin to pin 10, M2B pin to pin 11, and ground to ground. Next, connect the USB to Maker Uno. For the Arduino IDE part, I'm using Cytron's motor drivers library. Please ensure the library is installed in the Library Manager.
Then, open the example of PWM dual and upload to the Maker Uno. Once done uploading, disconnect the USB cable from Maker Uno.
To get a 5-volt power supply from the motor driver, connect the 5-volt out pin to pin 5-volt. Please make sure the connection is correct and connect the battery. This sample code controls the motor to rotate in both clockwise and counterclockwise directions with 2 different speeds. That's all for now. Good luck, and thank you for watching.